the WNC Nature Center trip. Author and illustrator, Mrs. Morgan, and Mr. Justin's class. We are going to the WNC Nature Center in Asheville. It will take a little over an hour to get there. We'll want to wear comfy shoes because we'll walk a lot. We will ride on a big white bus. When we get there, we will eat crackers and water. Once we get in the nature center, we'll have to stop by the restroom. The first place we'll visit is the farmyard. We may get to see sheep. Cotswold sheep can weigh 300 pounds. We may see a donkey. Be careful, it likes to bite. Next, we'll get a black bear ridge. You may see a deer. Deer are really good swimmers. We may see black bears. Black bears can weigh 500 pounds. Then we'll visit the birds of prey. We may see a great horned owl. Great horned owls like the skunks. That's gross. We may see a turkey vulture. Turkey vultures will eat any animal that's dead. We may see a bobcat. Bobcats can run 30 miles per hour. We may see a cougar. Cougars can kill their prey with one bite. We may see gray wolves. Gray wolves can eat 25 pounds of meat on one meal. We'll get to stop and play at the Arachnid Adventure Playground. We may see werewolves. Werewolves are the most endangered wolves. We may see coyotes. Coyotes can run 40 miles per hour. We may see red pandas. Red pandas eat bamboo all the time. We may see gray foxes. Gray foxes can climb trees. We may see red foxes. Red foxes grin when they are afraid. Next, we'll visit the Lake Station. We will see lots of reptiles and amphibians. We may see a rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes vibrate their tails to make a rattling sound. We may see a copperhead. We may see a corn snake. Corn snakes like to hide. We may see a black rat snake. Black rat snakes are good climbers. We may see a garter snake. Garter snakes have live babies. They don't lay eggs. We may see a musk turtle. Musk turtles like to walk on the bottom of ponds. We may see a box turtle. Box turtles can live for 100 years. We may see lots of lizards and salamanders. A hairbender can be 2 feet long. We may see a green tree frog. They're green so they can hide. We'll get to slide down the otter slide. We may see otters. Sometimes otters keep a special rock under their arms. We will have to take a selfie at the rocks. You may get to eat Chick-fil-A for lunch. It's so good. After lunch, we'll use the restroom and go back to Greenlee. The trip will be so much fun. The end.